Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make great French toast. To begin, selecting the right bread is crucial for an amazing result. Opt for a thick-cut variety such as brioche or challah. These absorb the custard beautifully. Next, prepare your simple yet flavorful batter. Whisk together 2 large eggs, 1/2 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and a pinch of salt until well combined. This foundational mixture sets the stage for a truly delicious breakfast. Now, let us talk about the custard and soaking process. It is essential to ensure your batter is thoroughly mixed, with no visible streaks of egg white, for a consistent flavor. When dipping your bread, aim for about 20 to 30 seconds per side. This allows the bread to absorb enough of the rich custard without becoming oversaturated. Remember, over-soaking can lead to a soggy texture, so be mindful of your timing for that perfect balance. With your bread perfectly soaked, it is time to cook. Heat a non-stick griddle or large pan over medium-low heat. Add about 1 tablespoon of butter or a neutral oil to ensure your French toast does not stick and gets a beautiful, even crust. Cook each side for approximately 2 to 3 minutes, or until it achieves a lovely golden brown color and is cooked through to the center. Patience here yields the best results. Finally, the moment you have been waiting for, serving your delicious French toast. For the absolute best taste and texture, serve it immediately while it is still warm. A classic topping is a generous drizzle of warm maple syrup and a light dusting of powdered sugar. To elevate your breakfast further, consider adding fresh berries, a dollop of whipped cream, or even a spoonful of your favorite fruit compote. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.